Free cardboard has destiny. This boring box, but I see multi-limbed pirate are meant to hold a micro-human stolen deed. Zero thoughts, no questions. Just grab melted sticky glue gun and prepare for absolute madness.
Chaos Quill.
If you've been watching a lot of crafting YouTube lately, so you might know how to make a paper clay. If not, then go search for it. But after you finish my video, of course. Now I'm creating a circle, which actually I should stop right now. No, really, you should stop. Stop! I can't stop myself. My past self. So what should I do? Continue. And think that I'm so genius using the paper clay to do this. And sticking them together, but sanding will actually show how wrong I was. But right now, I'll shut up and let you listen to some ASMR. There it is, the first fall off. So what do? We stop now? No, we don't. We don't stop. We never stop. Let's continue. Yeah, just wail of agony everywhere. But do we stop? No, we don't stop still. You don't know the word stop from this day on. You don't know how. See? See how not practical it is. But, you know what? Let's just continue standing and see where this goes. But I think I'm going to. Yeah, I know that I'm going to fail miserably. So, let's reload, restart. But apparently it didn't work. While I was painting this with normal paint, which I finally acquired, it's not free 99, but hey, it's just a few cents. So I can use it as much as I want as long as I stretch it out as much as I can. Say, there! New color. There, you can see the face now. See? I told you we'll see the face. By the way, this is actually one of the characters from the book that I'm trying to write.
Huh?
Yes, I am trying to write something, even though words are hard. And my kids are just, yeah, having it at the background. Let them be. But this is taking so long. I'm getting older by the minute. I think I should just, you know, fast forward all of this process. I think this will bore you to death. Hey, oh look, we're doing some different thing. This is like paint washing. I think that's what it's called. Like it gets to the cracks and crevices, create shadows and such. I don't know. I'm just doing what I saw on YouTube videos that like for crafting. So yeah, I'm just following a tutorial how to do it. But this is taking so long, so let's fast forward. Oh wait, I don't want. Parang. Quickly paint. I have to paint a lot. Oh look, there's the ice. We are making it black because I only have black and brown. So we're gonna work with it. So fast forward. What am I doing? So snip, 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 and more paint. How much more paint? Okay, I think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done with painting. Finally. And now you see me rolling. You hate them. Yeah. Rolling, rolling, rolling wood. Rolling, rolling, glue gunning. Rolling, rolling, glue gunning. Why is my glue gun not cooperating with me anyways? So yeah, I'm rolling out the sheet of like cardboards to make something. I forgot what it is because I'm just watching this while editing. Oh yeah, I'm making a stand so that the coin bank can stand. That's what stands are for. To make something stand. That's a lot of stand. Yeah, sticking it in. You don't have to see all the process because it's boring. So yeah, just take it all in. Come on. There we go. There. So now I'm rolling. Blue gunning. Yeah, I'm rolling and I'm blue gunning. I'm rolling blue gunning. Rolling and blue gunning. I'm rolling blue gunning all of these branches. So, okay, so a little concert for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I do this most of the times. It doesn't stand up. What am I doing now? Oh yeah, I'm cutting it so that it will like, fit perfectly, hopefully. It's not perfect. It's not that good, but it's okay. Passable. Just like one of my favorite YouTubers say, it's good enough. So we ride with it. Rolling in right. Okay, so I should stop. So yeah, I'm actually wanted to do like this squiggly kind of, like Davy Jones type of beard for the branches, but it's hard to do with the paper clay. So we're gonna do it twiggy sticks. So I'm sticking sticks. I'm sticking sticks on the wood. I'm sticking the stick on the stick. There's a lot of sticks and a lot of stands. A lot of words. See, I told you I write. So yeah. So I don't know why I put it there. But yeah, I think it just looks cute. But you know what? There's actually this is one of my favorite parts here. The nose. The nose is so cute. But pause. Stop. You didn't see anything yet. Because you didn't see me showing you how the hell did this creature get an eye. So these are beads from the time that I thought that I would be a bead maker. And my kids say that they look bad. Also this. I thought that it will look good like leaves. But no, it just looks like trash. So we remove it. And we're not going to use it. Time for another coffee. Yes, I decided to remove all of those because they look bird. So now I'm using my glue gun to create like squiggly vine thingies, but it's not cooperating with me. It's not glue gunning squiggly lines straight. I don't know how you glue gun squiggly straight, how you make squiggly straights, but look at this. Look at this one. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put a lot of this. A lot of it like all over except for the actual part. So just like vine, like going around like the branches and stuff. And I also made a new stand, but wait, I think we're back. Yep, we're back to painting. As I mentioned earlier, I only have brown and black paint. So vines, instead of green, it's gonna be brown. Nobody's gonna argue with me because this is mine. This will be my gift. Nobody can argue, okay? So I think that's it. After we finish all of this, we will be surviving the madness. And now we can take a look at what we've created. As the gnarled part took shape, the noise faded, and I found myself slipping deep into the forbidden mist of Dravengard. By royal decree, no mortal soul may enter this ancient forest where the trees breathe indigo light. This is an elder gloom. To a careless traveler, they look like nothing but moss-covered wood until the turquoise runes on their hollow faces ignite. Some say they are the forest's eternal spirits. Others believe they are the souls of foolish mortals, transformed as punishment. Either way, he's here now. Terrifying? A little. Cute? Absolutely. Just don't try to take your coins back.